Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, July 10th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, look at this pattern. I just have never seen anything so crazy in my life. This is up, down, up, down, up, down. And again, I don't know that the Dow has really established any kind of direction here at all. It's just zigzag back and forth. I will say today was not a great day. A lot of frustration, but it wasn't as bad as what we've seen all week. I don't know that we really lost money today, and we did have some decent trades, although a lot of frustrating trades as well. Dow ended up closing up 211 points. Obviously, better news out of Europe. That's just that seems to be driving this market, obviously, but it's very unpredictable, and that's probably why I'm trying to look at this from a technical standpoint, and there's really no technical analysis at all that's going to explain this behavior. It's just that it's reacting wildly to this news as it comes out. So anyway, as I say, today was not a great day, but it wasn't quite as bad as what we've seen. Very frustrating right after the open. The sweet spot was probably maybe 5 minutes into the day. We were up like $10,000 on our open trade equity. By the time we got out, this was negative 6,300. Yeah, a drop of $16,000 in about 30 minutes. That was very frustrating. I'll show you some of the individual trades, and it's just enough to make you tear your hair out. We are carrying nearly $7,000 in open trade equity over the weekend, so I guess you could say we made a few dollars, but again, open trade doesn't seem to mean anything anymore. We don't know what that's going to do on Monday. Nevertheless, it was fairly positive in terms of what we were getting into. I will show you, though, just why this was such a frustrating. I have seen this pattern just again and again and again. I gotta confess, I have seen the pattern so much that I got my managed accounts out early this morning and made decent profits on them, good profits. But the system that I'm showing you here, did not make those profits because it's waiting just 30 minutes or so. This is JRJC. This is a good example. We had bought this yesterday over here, and when we're up here, JRJC is up like on the open here, like over $2,000 in profit. And look at this, the thing just down it goes, and bam, we're out down there with like a $3,000 loss. So we go from positive 2,000 to negative 3,000. This is just one of the many, I think we were holding 17 positions or so. This is just one of them, and just look at that. And this pattern is driving me nuts. I mean, we're losing all our profits in the first 30 minutes or so. The sweet spot is right after the open, and it's just like anything that opens up, traders jump on it and sell it. It's just like, I can't believe it. I mean, I can hardly believe what happens here. But this morning, at least with my managed money, I got smart and sold out about 5 minutes after the open and made really good profits on that. But those really good profits went to considerable loss in the system that I'm showing you. And for the customers out there trading this, I'm sorry, I don't know what to do about this. This is just really frustrating. I'll show you another just to show you this pattern happened in at least 5 of the stocks we're trading, 5 or 6 of them, and this is where all our profits went. This is just CSIQ. We just lost a couple $100 in this, but look, it opens profitably up here on the open, then bam, down it goes. Horrible, just terrible. We did have some good trades, which I'll show you. This is Sempra. This was very nice. We're holding about, we got into this today. It kept going. This is very controlled, nice market. This is what we're looking for. We're holding about $2,000 open trade in Sempra. And then this is kind of interesting. All this stuff in Europe is going on. And what are we trading? What are we making money in? We're making money in GREK, which of course is tied to the Greek economy. And you would think this would be oh, hey, wait a minute, I'm sorry, I'm showing you the wrong one here. Oh, let's get this right. Oh, I have to, yeah, here we go. Hang on here. Here we go. This is pretty interesting. We bought GREK yesterday. It closed favorably. We get this massive gap up, and look at this, just like the other ones. Let's open this up a little. Just like this pattern, it comes down here and we get out. Looks like almost a low tick of the day, but regardless, we're making $3,000 on that. We're over $3,000 positive on GREK. But then thank God for the re-entry, because it starts moving up again and we get re-entered here. Look, we're getting re-entered way ahead of this beautiful open up here. So we pick up on this trade, continue long in this trade in spite of that horrible exit, and so we're picking up like another $1,000 or $2,000 in GREK here. So combined here, we're like $6,000-$7,000 in profits with this stock that I think everybody else is afraid to trade, but we're trading it and we're doing pretty well. Anyway, frustrating day, but not nearly as bad as what we've been seeing. I'm going to enjoy the weekend. I hope you guys enjoy the weekend. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you next Monday.